This is going to be a cold start of a 7.3 Powerstroke. It's 3 degrees this morning. So 2001. And when you got good working glow plugs, they start right up. Just give her about 30 seconds or so on the glow plugs to heat up here. Should start right up. Never had any issues starting this thing. Let's see how she goes. Nothing. These things start right up when the glow plugs work right. I run 540 in it in the pretty much November to May. That makes a big difference. The oil, that is. Smoking like a freight train back there. But the neighbors don't like me for that. But hey, whatever. Old dirty diesel. Just showing that the 7.3s start real good when the glow plug circuits work. A lot of people say that these things don't like to start in the cold, and that's just not true. If they're not starting in the cold for you, it's because your glow plugs don't work. Just to show you guys again. Refresh this. Oh, it's 5 degrees. My bad. Truck getting into high idle. She's probably running on like, yeah, she's running on all cylinders. I always tell by the vibration of my shifter. Fortunately, I've got a manual. Not that has anything to do with starting, but yeah, I've got an upgraded starter, the DB Monster starter, and then 540 in the winter. And the thing starts up every time. I've started it as cold as -20, and it's not plugged in. She's not plugged in at all. So it works real good. No plugs. Unstuck. Smoking like a freight train. Yeah. Good old 7.3.